get ready kasi nangtay ko sa Alessandra from Katarman. We're going to San Antonio. I'm so excited. It's been a while since last napunta ko doon. I think grade 12 pa ako nung last napunta ko doon. I'm so excited kasi marami kami, like our friends, distant friends nila. And ito yung dala ko. Isang tote bag lang. Then, and this is my outfit. Gusto ko magsando lang para presko. Then, I have these jorts from my pinsan to. Kinuha ko lang sa damitan niya. Hinihintay ko lang si Alessandra. Okay na yung mga gamit ko dito. I will update you guys later kapag nasa bus na kami. Okay. Hello guys. Naibili na wala. 20 minutes, 30. Okay, let it. Trust the process. Be positive. Tahu banta 1, 2, 3. Lunch.
Pwede maka-atras mga topos na pala.
Lunch. We're going to San Antonio, guys. Tayo mo din vlogging equipment. Vlogger. Adi man,
Guys, subscribe to my YouTube channel. It's Ange Kanj.
Sa San Antonio, Lagbangan. Kapili ka doon. Grabe, nagpili doon.
Pabili na naman lang!
Or banginan, ano
Ngayon sinipag naka-ano na kita?
Yeah.
Condition.
Makarig ako otro. I mean, mag-ano ako otro. Mag-wash sa face.
Ako ba na bar up?
Ako lot, di ko ka.
Ko ka.
Parang,
Mamamatay ako.
parang tikang pa sa second district iniya. But we're here. Mag-overnight kami. Then tomorrow, 11 a.m. We have to go home agad. Room tour, guys. Here's my roommate. And... okay, i-vlog ko na lang. And here. Yun lang. Yan, kaba pa. Uy. One, two, picture. 1, 2, 3. Wala di ako na yung...
Oh my God!
Yun. 1, 2, 3. Okay. So, we're removing our makeups kasi we're so... Ano ba siyang tawag? I don't know.
Dugyot.
We're so dugyot.
Sarap ay nalakad na yan.
Hello guys, so we're going to eat na and ni-remove lang namin ang aming mga makeup kasi ang ano na, like, hello, wait. So let's go eat. Here's the view. Wow. Look at that.
Makan basa.
Ayun na ako. Wait
Ano ko
lang.
alam?
Excuse me?
Hey guys, so done na kami mag-ayos and magti-tiktok lang kami. Here's our food. Let's go. guys, done na kami mag picture taking. So, maliligo na kami. Let's go!
Game
Guys, we're here. We're taking pictures lang. Look. Hello!
Imda mo na. Imda.
So cool here. Ang ganda. Si room. Guys, we just woke up. It's 6:07 a.m. Second day, so we're getting ready. We're just going to have a photo shoot lang. Tapos light makeup. Kasi syempre sayang naman. And our time sa tawag
Check
lang?
out, time out.
Something like that.
Yeah.
Check out is
11 a.m.
Yeah.
You only have 4 hours. Guys, we're here again sa cottage. And dito kami magbo-model fight. So, nagpe-prepare pa. So, here lang muna.